In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap in Miro. If you're looking to organize your projects more effectively, whether for your team or just to streamline your workflow, a roadmap can be an invaluable tool. We're going to walk through this step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge needed to put together a roadmap that truly works for you. Let's start by heading over to the Miro dashboard. You'll want to click on Boards in the Steps Team section. The dashboard is your central hub, where all your projects and collaborative efforts reside. It's here that you'll find various templates created to help you simplify processes, and luckily, Miro provides a specific roadmap planning template tailored precisely for this purpose. This template is designed to help you outline your strategy and key milestones, ensuring you have a clear visual representation of your plans. Once you've located the roadmap planning template, the next step is to dive into this pre-made template. It's essentially a ready-made and editable layout that you can easily customize to fit your specific needs. This template offers a starting point that saves you time and ensures you don't have to build everything from scratch. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to a new board. This board is highly user-friendly and designed to be intuitive, even for those new to Miro. You'll see various sections that allow you to fill in essential details such as timeframes, tasks, and objectives. This setup lets you visualize your entire project timeline and align your team's focus on achieving your goals. As you're adapting this template to your needs, consider the key components that are most relevant to your projects. For instance, you might want to add columns for different project phases or create rows for various teams involved. By doing so, everyone in your team will have a clear view of their responsibilities and deadlines, which fosters better collaboration and communication. Don't forget about personalization. It's important to make the roadmap uniquely yours. You can adjust colors, fonts, and other stylistic elements to reflect your brand or simply to make it more visually appealing to your audience. This not only helps in making the roadmap more engaging, but also assists in maintaining consistency with your other documentation. Once your roadmap is set up, share it with key stakeholders. Miro allows for seamless sharing and collaboration, so everyone can access the most up-to-date roadmap and make real-time adjustments if necessary. This collaborative feature is especially beneficial for remote teams or projects that span multiple departments. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating your very own roadmap using the tools provided by Miro. By using these templates and customizing them to fit your needs, you can efficiently manage your projects and ensure that everyone involved is on the same page.